Anxiety is the fear and worries about possible future events that may not have happened or no specific event. It can also involve repetitive thoughts. Panic disorder refers to a group of mental disorders characterized by panic attacks. They are intense episodes of excessive fear or anxiety that last only a few minutes but can continue throughout life. People with anxiety and panic disorders often go through extreme reactions when they perceive they are in danger, even when they really aren't in any danger, but still experience strong physical reactions like high heart rate, tightness in the chest, rapid breathing, sweating, and dizziness. These symptoms can sometimes result in an attack of heart disease or another organ failure if the person doesn't seek treatment promptly. Anxiety and panic attacks often come unexpectedly and without warning. But there are certain things that you can do to help prevent them from happening. We have listed 5 simple ways that you can end anxiety and panic. Take deep breaths. When you feel anxious or panicked, try taking deep breaths and relaxing your muscles, just as you would do in a yoga class. If this doesn't work for you, try focusing on the rhythm of your breathing instead. This way, you will be able to slow down and focus on what's in front of you. Take control of your thoughts. One of the most important things you need to do when struggling with anxiety and panic attacks is take control of your thoughts. This means that you need to stop thinking about the situation and concentrate on breathing instead. Take a break from unhealthy thought patterns such as those that might be causing anxiety or panic. This will allow you time with your thoughts and give them space to change. If these thoughts are too distressing, find an outlet for relief, such as talking with a therapist or setting healthy boundaries with people who trigger unwanted feelings within you. Meditate regularly. Meditating regularly can help reduce anxiety and panic in the long term, even if you feel like your mind is always racing. Meditation is a well-known method for coping with stress, meaning that any person who has experienced high levels of stress can benefit from it. In a time when everything is so fast-paced, it is important that we have time to pause and reflect. Meditating throughout the day can help clear our minds and refocus on what is most important. Meditating regularly can lower one's anxiety levels and improve their overall quality of life. Do some exercise daily. Exercise is one way to help combat anxiety and panic attacks. It raises your heart rate, activates your muscles, and generally helps with your focus levels during the day, lowering overall anxiety levels and providing relief from panic attacks in progress. Exercise is good for mental health along with physical health. Regular exercise has been shown to be effective in treating symptoms of mental health issues such as stress, depression, or anxiety disorder. Schedule time for rest and relaxation. There is a misconception that the best way to fight off anxiety and panic attacks is to be busy constantly. However, the way to avoid these ailments is through scheduled rest and relaxation. Many people with anxiety can simply overwork themselves and feel tired all the time. It is not just about getting your work done, but also about making sure you are doing things that make you happy. Sleep deprivation has been linked to mental health issues like depression and anxiety disorders. The lack of sleep affects brain circuitry in a number of ways, including impairing mood regulation, cognition, and memory formation. Many people think that it is impossible to relax during a panic attack. But in reality, it is possible to reduce anxiety symptoms during a panic attack with relaxation techniques. Find some hobby. Keep your mind busy with hobbies or other creative pursuits, such as painting, knitting, gardening, etc. For some people, a hobby can be a way of coping with their anxiety. It helps them find peace in the chaos of their life when they need it most. With so much technology at our fingertips these days, finding time for hobbies is easier than ever before. The key is knowing what you enjoy and what will make you feel good as soon as possible after starting it up again. Hobbies are a great way to help us manage anxiety and stress. Find a support group. It is important for anyone, especially an introvert, to find a support group. The most common form of anxiety is generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. A GAD support group can help at the subtle level of self-care and personal growth. There are many support groups for different types of people who have anxiety or panic issues. These groups provide resources and connections to people who know what they are going through. They can help their members with things like finding therapy, getting different types of medication, and dealing with symptoms of anxiety. Anxiety is what anyone can go through at some point in their lives. Fear, tension, wrath, and doubt are all common negative feelings that we all encounter. However, when these emotions become out of control and begin to take over our lives, it may indicate a more severe problem. Anxiety disorders affect millions of people, so you're not alone if you're fearful and negative thoughts have taken over you. It's time to take charge and discover how to stop your anxiety and the panic attacks that come with it.